Control panel. Digital display of temperature and time. The unique pull-out drawer bottom base allows for easier placement of garment and keeping you away from heat. Aluminum bottom platen. Service time is much longer than iron platen. Non-stick Teflon coated heating platen. You can adjust pressure via the spiral pressure device. It's magentic. When time counts down to 0, it will auto-release and improves efficiency. For strong 1500 NS spring, hold heating plate strongly. Operation handle ergonomic. Save manpower. Movable wheels at the bottom of machine. It can move all around. Stop button. If emergency happens, you can press stop button and the upper platen will automatically release. Operation demo. Switch power on. Press set to set temperature. Press up or down to set it. Press set again to set time. Press up or down to set it. Press set one more time to lock temperature and time. Print quantity when pressing 3 seconds. Pull out lower platen. Place fabric. Place sublimation paper. Start to do heat press. When time counts down to 0, heating platen will go up. Remove the sublimation paper. Process is done.